Hi, welcome to my best 3D printer review. Are you looking for the 3D printer? We analyzed consumer reviews to find top 3D printer. This video, we share top 5 3D printer on the market. Subscribe our channel and get more info and real-time deal on your favorite product. Let's start. Number 5. Creality 3D Printer. Creality 3D is an industry-leading 3D printing organization that provides considerable authority in the evaluation of reasonable 3D printers by buyers. This is the 3D printer Ender 3, one of the most widely used models of our image. In the midst of Ender 3's structural and manufacturing phases, our architects kept the customer experience and up-to-the-minute know-how as they built this machine. It's a pack-style printer, although the most worrying errands in our industrial facility were done before delivery. Number 4. AinSmart 3D Printers. AinSmart can offer a meaningful bundle of unsurpassed quality at the level of the sections through the high retail markup. The minimal plan Ender 3 allows you to sit in the storage compartment of your vehicle or even to the rear, while offering 6x more form volume than other printers at the transit level. The CNC machined Y-hub mounting hole guarantees a highly accurate print head location. V-hole POM, polyoxymethylene, wheels allow the spout to float lightly and quietly. The heated bed can reach its working temperature in just 5 minutes. The printer is protected against power surges and power failures by its capacity supply. If the power goes out, printing can continue from the last layer, saving time and reducing waste. This easy-to-install unit is incomplete, so you can learn about the fundamental evolution of 3D printers during assembly. An entertaining STEM course dealing with mechanical design and hardware. Number 3. XYZprinting 3D Printer. The DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro uses an instinctive 9-point customization framework that accurately determines the separation between the extruder and the print bed, so you can easily print targets from 20 to 400 microns. With the discretionary 0.3 mm extruder attachment, the print surface can be surprisingly smooth. All XYZprinting printers accompany CAD and cutting programming. The easy-to-understand interface configuration guides you from demonstration to printing. In addition to our web-based ticketing framework, you can also contact us via Skype or telephone with our specialized help. Number 2. Monoprice 3D Printer. 3D printer. When you get a 3D printer, it means over and over again that the parts are not assembled properly and the documentation is not efficient. This way, Monoprice does not work, and this 3D printer is an ideal model. Not only is this printer completely assembled, it has been factory aligned so it can be printed out of the case. This 3D printer is small enough for any workspace, with a small footprint and basic open-edge structure. Number 1. The Flashforge 3D Printer. Meet the new kid on the court. The easy-to-use 3D printer for home and for the wallet of the Flashforge is ready to play. The Flashforge is equipped with simple highlights and should be at home in children's rooms and classrooms. This is the main decision for 3D printers and teachers. Tenderfoots benefit from the retractable manufacturing plate, bed leveling and instinctive shading touch screen. In addition, guardians and educators appreciate their calm and secure job. The imaginative universe of 3D printing anticipates, and the Flashforge shows you the way. I should fuck her in the Benz.